Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Are you looking to kickstart your retirement savings with a smart move? A Roth IRA could be exactly what you need. It's a special type of retirement account where you contribute money you've already paid taxes on. The amazing benefit: your investments grow completely tax-free, and when you're ready to retire, you can withdraw that money, including all the earnings, without paying a single cent in taxes. It's a fantastic option for beginners, offering incredible, long-term financial freedom. When you're ready to open a Roth IRA, what should you look for in an account provider? First, prioritize platforms with low, or even better, no trading fees. Every dollar saved on fees is another dollar working for your future. Second, solid customer support is incredibly important. You'll want helpful guidance as you learn the ropes. Finally, make sure they offer a good variety of investment options, giving you flexibility as your financial goals evolve. Let's dive into some top recommendations, starting with Fidelity. This platform is a true favorite among beginners, thanks to its incredibly intuitive and easy-to-navigate interface. You'll find a massive selection of investment options here, including many commission-free exchange-traded funds and excellent low-cost index funds. Plus, their customer support is consistently rated very highly, ensuring you have the help you need when getting started. It's a very solid choice. Next up, consider Vanguard, especially if you love the idea of keeping costs super low. Vanguard is famous for its pioneering role in low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds. While their platform might feel a bit more no-frills compared to others, their dedication to minimizing fees means more of your money stays invested and growing. If you're looking for a straightforward, long-term, hands-off investment strategy, Vanguard is definitely a powerful contender for your Roth IRA. Our third top recommendation is Charles Schwab. They offer a very comprehensive platform, blending excellent customer service with a broad selection of investment opportunities. You'll find great educational resources here, which can be super helpful as you learn about investing. Plus, with zero-commission stock and exchange-traded fund trades, it's a very cost-effective way to build and diversify your Roth IRA, providing a robust foundation for your financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.